Hey everybody, welcome back to Plant Stuff. I'm gonna share with you guys today my little banana circle here. These are going gangbusters. We've had a cyclone recently, and that's brought a lot of rain and a lot of nitrogen into the soil. And I've already harvested a bunch of these just last week. And the way the bananas grow here is this one. I've already cut the male flower off of the bottom. It makes them ripen a bit quicker. So once you're, I'll show you a more less developed bushel here. So this purpley looking thing is the male, and the banana looking bananas are the female part of the banana flower. And so this isn't the biggest bushel in the world yet. The idea is you let the female part grow as much as you think till you see them stop growing, basically. And once you're satisfied with that and you have enough bananas, you cut the male part off here, and that will make your bananas ripen a bit quicker and just kind of speed the process up a bit, and it takes some of the energy the plant would put into growing the male part into growing food for you. So yeah, that is how to cut a male banana in the tropics. Alright, smash like, subscribe. Have a great day, everybody.